Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the low-effort causes. Power cycle your modem and router, wait 30 seconds, then boot them in order. Once done, plug your device directly into the router with a known good Ethernet cable to isolate Wi-Fi. Run a simple ping to a stable server and note spikes. Make sure no other device is saturating bandwidth. If spikes persist, record baseline numbers, average, min, max, so you can compare after the next changes. Once wired testing is done, update router firmware and your network adapter drivers to remove software bugs. Then enable quality of service and prioritize gaming or conferencing traffic so latency-sensitive packets get through first. Change MTU incrementally if fragmentation is an issue, and run traceroute plus long-duration pings to identify hops causing spikes. Make sure to test during peak and off-peak times. Compare results to the baseline you recorded so you can see which changes actually reduce spikes. You finish by replacing suspect hardware. Test a new router, fresh Ethernet cable, or a USB NIC. Hardware failure often causes intermittent spikes. Next, change DNS to a lower latency resolver, and if routing looks bad on external hops, try a reputable VPN to see if it bypasses the problem. If spikes still occur, contact your ISP with your traceroute and ping logs. Insist they test for packet loss on their network. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.